With seasonal. What I like to do, I like to take the word seasonal and vegetable and I put them together.
And autumnal too.
With seasonal and a kick of spice, this slow-cooked chicken curry is perfect winter warmer. The whole family's going to love this.
Yes, here to show us how is online sensation and cookbook author Sarah Pound. Hello, Sarah.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi. You are cooking this in a slow cooker.
I am.
I've got to knock the dust off mine because we've had it hidden away because it's been summer.
Yes.
What are we doing here? What?
Nothing.
That's true.
Yeah, you got to knock the dust
they
off
come
your
out
slow
in
cooker.
autumn.
Yeah, absolutely. What are we doing?
So this is a super easy dump and go curry. Don't even have to sear anything off first. So it's a chicken and pumpkin curry. So I'm going to show you pretty much what you have to do. So we're going to start with our chicken, and that literally gets thrown in.
Did you call this a dump and go?
Yes.
That's an official cooking
Yeah,
technique?
it is. Because a lot of slow cooker recipes call for searing and browning off your onion and garlic first, whereas dump and go is literally throw it all in. And so we've got garlic and ginger here. Throw those ones in.
And that was a kilo of chicken thighs,
Chicken
if you're wondering.
thighs.
Yeah.
You can use breast, but I love chicken thighs in a curry. So, and then I left this to show because of how easy this curry paste is. It's 5 ingredients. So we've got some tomato paste, some spices, and then some chicken stock. And you basically just mix that together.
And you say this is healthier than buying maybe one of the packaged one, which is sometimes really high in sugar.
Yes.
So this is really easy, just tomato paste.
Definitely. And you know what's going into it. You know,
Yeah.
a lot of the things you buy on shelf or when you get takeaway, you don't exactly know what's gone into it. So this is nice and clean, lots of veggies. So you're stirring that up like that, and then you're pretty much adding it
And
to your slow cooker.
And that's just the old Keen's curry powder, isn't it?
Yes,
Everyone's got
is.
a...
Yes, Keen's curry powder, some turmeric and some garam masala.
Beautiful.
All right. And then we're going to get some veggies in there as well?
And then we're going to throw in some veggies. So I'm using pumpkin and zucchini, but you can swap out for sweet potato, some broccoli, whatever you kind of like. And then I forgot my onion in the beginning. That can go in with your garlic and ginger.
As well. Does it actually matter if you're dumping it all in? Does it actually matter what order you put it in? Not really.
Because we're going to stir it now and then set and forget, and you're good to go.
So dump and stir and go.
Yep, pretty much.
There was another step in there.
And how long are you cooking that in the slow cooker for, Sarah?
So generally it's 4 hours on high, but you know, lots of people like to set them before they go to work. So in that case, 8 hours on low is fine.
So some people don't have a slow cooker.
That's true.
So can you just do it in the oven?
You can. It's the I love both slow cooker and oven. The oven, you need to watch it a little bit more, obviously, but it's more 2 to 3 hours. So same thing, basically, throw it all in to an oven-safe pot, lid on, 2 or 3 hours.
Same thing. Okay, great.
Now, we love, because this recipe is from your new book. It's called Wholesome by Sarah. Tell us about the book. It's a beautiful cover.
Yes, so it was released last week and it's been so amazing to put together. But pretty much it's full of, you know, family-friendly, quick, healthy, I think delicious meals that are sort of designed to make your life easier.
Is that the whole philosophy? Because I love that. Healthy, but quick and not too complicated,
yes,
right?
Exactly. Well, we're all busy and so, you know, weekdays call for quick meals. And
Well,
but
you
still
said
want
All slow ones.
You said...
yes, exactly.
You said
Quick prep.
delicious. You said delicious, so I'll be the judge of the delicious.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, you can tell me what it's like.
And then we can just serve that with some rice and you can make that
Some
really
rice,
easy.
and then here I've just got some Greek yogurt if you like that, to mild it down for kids as well. So my girls love to have a bit of Greek yogurt, some coriander, some roti and fresh lime.
Yep.
But they're all the extras.
Only if you wanted to do that. Otherwise,
That's
you can
so
just do
nice.
this.
So
the
nice.
full recipe is over on our website. And for more delicious family meal ideas, Sarah's new book, Wholesome by Sarah, is out now. Thank you, Sarah.
I'm going to do a cookbook called Dump and Go. I think it's going to... Thank you. This is really... Can you read this on the
Yeah, we're
list?
back after
This is
this.
very nice.